Hi, this is Kerry from FreshStore, and in this video, I'm going to go through how to create an affiliate store with the power of AI to do things like create content, create categories, create products, all that good stuff. So what we're looking at now is the new version of FreshStore, which is launching in April 2023. And it's got a lot of new features with the AI, but other stuff as well. This video is going to focus on what AI is doing inside FreshStore, how it works, how it's going to make your life so much easier. So let's dive right in. This is the new dashboard for an account. So when you're a member of FreshStore, this is what you get. I'm going to go ahead and create a new affiliate store, and I'm going to create a blank store. So instant stores is something we can cover in another video. I'm going to create a blank store. I'm going to go through the whole process, start to finish. So let's choose a niche. I'm going to use this niche, home fitness equipment. I'm going to call my store something like Home Gym World, something like that. So this is an actual name for your store. Choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose a vanity domain. If you don't know what a vanity domain is, again, another video, we'll go through that separately. So that's all you need to do to start creating your affiliate store. I'm going to go ahead and click create. From here, it's going to take maybe a minute to create the store. So I'll just pause this video and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, so we now have our store. It's been installed. Let's take a look what it looks like. Let's log into the admin area as well. And yeah, so this is an empty FreshStore affiliate store. So there's no products inside. There's no categories. We're going to do all that shortly. So it looks a bit empty at the moment. And it has this generic image, and we can replace that as well. So we're going to go in. And the first thing I want to show you is that when the store is created, this content, this kind of basic content of the store is generated by AI based on what we put in at the beginning, which was the niche, which is home fitness equipment, and the name of the store, which is Home Gym World. So you can see it's already created a little bit of content here. If we go into some of the other pages, like the About Us page, again, it's created content, discover the perfect home gym with us, blah, blah, blah. But it's really good stuff because it's unique and it's specific to the niche and the store. If we have a look at what page are we on, if we have a look at the contact page, this is another one where it generates some content. Again, it's using the title, etc., and our newsletter page. So yeah, Gym Gear Gazette, the latest home workout news. So it's come up with an idea of a title even for the newsletter. So really cool stuff. Now, if you don't like any of the content, here is probably the best bit. This is the bit that I really like and my team has been really excited about and going crazy about. You can generate content inside the admin area just with the click of a button. So if I click here to rewrite with AI, I'm going to get a different title straight away. It's sent it off to AI. It's had a look at the content. It's had a look at the niche and the store name, and it's come up with a completely new idea. Now, everywhere you see this icon in the admin area, you can click it and get something completely new. So really, really cool. Yeah, link title is a shorter title. And we can also do the same with like these content boxes. So if we go back to actually view this page, we've got a lot of unique content on here. This text here is this bit, so we can rewrite that. And depending on the length of the content, it will take us slightly longer if it's a bit longer. So let's refresh the page and you can see we've got a new version of that, which is really cool. Oh, I haven't saved it yet, that's why. So we'll have to save that first, then refresh this page. And you can see that new bit of content that is created here. So super cool. All your SEO and meta information is taken care of as well. So this is the actual page slug, which is here. And this is the meta title. We can generate a new one of those if we want to. And the meta description and the keywords. And this is all done automatically. So this is for pages, but it also works for anything on your store which is editable. Okay, so let me just get a quick drink and then we're going to have a look at how to create categories. Okay, first, before categories, just to be a little bit more efficient, I'm going to show you articles. So we have a built-in article generator here. And all you have to do in this section is just put in an article that you want to create. Just any title, doesn't even have to be that descriptive, but something about the niche, obviously, of your store. So I'm going to put how to choose a home treadmill, which is something I've put in before. So I'm going to create that. and it'll take a little while, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm going to create another article, and let's think of something else. So saving space with home gym equipment. Maybe it's a bit of a fuzzy idea, so let's see what the AI comes up with. And I'm going to leave those articles to carry on creating here while I show you categories. So this is super cool as well. Category builder. So at the moment, our store has nothing inside. We have no categories. So usually you would have to think through, okay, home fitness store, home gym store, what do I need? A treadmill category, or this category, or that category. And it takes a little bit of time to build that up. So actually, all I'm going to do in here is enter my niche, which is home gym equipment. And I'm going to click on next, and let's see what happens next. So the AI is actually going to have a think about it and come back with a list of their recommended categories for this store. So it's going to save a lot of time. And there's something else about this as well, which I'll show you, which is super cool. So this takes, a few seconds. Once we get that back, we get a nice list of categories, probably about 5 main categories and 5 subcategories inside. So you can decide from here if you want to keep all of these categories or if you want to tweak them a little bit. I think just glancing at these all look quite good. Yoga and Pilates looks fine. Body weight stuff, good. Accessories, super, super good. So all of this is actually good for me. I think that's fine. I don't need to make any changes. I'm going to go ahead and click build categories. So what it's going to do now is send all of those categories to be created on your store. And it's not just going to create the category basic with just a title. It's going to create a complete category with all the content you need and all the meta information as well. So as I refresh this page, we're probably going to see some categories pop up shortly. Let's take a little break and have a look at the articles while it's doing that. So it can take a little bit of time because there's quite a lot of content to create. So let's go into articles that I was looking at before. We're zipping between the two. And we can see we've already have one that's been generated, which is the home treadmill choosing tips. That's the short title for the article, and the full title will be in here. Tips for choosing a home treadmill, and a subtitle, expert advice on finding the perfect fitness machine for your home gym. Home treadmill choosing tips. So let's have a look at how this looks in the store before we go in and actually edit any content. So this is the article in the store. List of factors to consider, types of home treadmills, what's right for you, folding treadmills, non-folding, electric. Looks really good. So really nice article. I would recommend having a look through it to be sure that everything is good. But generally these articles come out brilliant first time. So that's completely unique content. It's something that's been created by the AI based on what it knows, obviously. And if you're not happy with any aspect, you can use these features to rewrite specific parts of the content. So we can say, the subtitle's not quite right. Let's see what we can do. And we come up with a new one. And same for all the bits of content. We don't have an option to rewrite the entire article because it's quite an in-depth thing to do. If that's something you wanted to do, I would recommend creating a new article from scratch. So once the article is created, you would edit it from here. And SEO and meta, we can create this as well if it's not been created already. You can see that this one is a little bit basic, so I'm going to go through and build something up for that. So super cool, super easy. That's the articles. Let's have a check on the categories and see how they're getting on. So into categories, we can see now we have the 5 main categories already created, and we got 6 or 7 subcategories created within each. So let's have a look at one of these cardio machines, and let's have a look at the content that it's created. So cardio machines, get in shape with our high quality cardio machines, and content is created a content for the top of the page, content for the bottom, all the SEO and meta stuff. So let's take a look at what it looks like in the store. And so these are all the subcategories. We've got no images in there yet because we've got no products in the store. But as soon as we start adding products, it's going to fill out nicely. If we click up here, we can see all the categories that have been added, and every one is the same as this one. It's had all the content created. So if I pick one randomly, assuming it's finished the content generation, which I don't think it has yet. So let's try another one. Yoga mats. Let's go back to Pilates maybe. Okay, so you can see again all the content generated. So super cool. I'll take a little break and then we'll go into products and how we use AI to build the products and to fully populate your store. Okay, so this is probably my favorite part of using AI for affiliate stores. I'm going to show you how to add products. And I've already added a few just to make sure that they're added already, so we're not too long on this video. So the way we do it with an affiliate store, FreshStore is connected to multiple merchants like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, and Etsy. And we import those products or those offers from those merchants and we create our own products. So let me show you the process. I'm going to choose a category. I've already done these two, treadmills and ellipticals. I'm going to choose exercise bikes. Just going to put the search term in there, exercise bikes. And I'm going to choose Amazon to get started. We have a few more options, but these are optional. And I'm going to search. So this is going to get exercise bikes from Amazon. And it's up to me now to decide which ones I want to put in my store. For the purpose of this, I'm going to go ahead and just add in every single one. And this is where I absolutely love this. This is where I wanted a solution for so many years. And if you're anything like me, you'll have seen this already, but check this out. So I'm going to have a look on Amazon for this product. And the problem with this is this title is just way too long. It's way too annoying. It's no good for our SEO. It's no good for our conversions for our affiliate stores. This is something that people do on Amazon because they want to rank higher. They want to stuff keywords, but it's no good for the user. So yeah, this is a problem I've been trying to solve for a long time with different ways. And finally with AI, I think this is a really good, genuine use of AI where we can rewrite these product titles and create something that's actually useful for users, saves our time, and yeah, just really cool. So let's go into the store. This is the cardio machine category. Those products are adding in the background. Let's take a look at what's been added already. So these are the products that I started importing before. Some treadmills, some ellipticals. You can see them down here. Let's go into the treadmill category. And yeah, there we go. All the products are all imported with the prices, everything up to date. But you can see the titles are actually useful. They're actually good titles now. So what we do in the background is we ask the AI to rewrite those stupid long product titles to something better, more useful, more SEO optimized. So you can see here that it's pulled in this this title, it's regenerated this title, and it's created a subtitle, it's created an introduction. This is all unique content created by AI. These highlights are also generated from the Amazon content, but it's rewritten. And this is completely unique content also that's added based on the product. So that's all done by the AI. Super, super cool. This is automatically pulled in from eBay. So related products that match this name show automatically down here. So it's another way to get good affiliate commissions on the product. It's another option for your visitors. And these are related products, obviously treadmills. So all that's set up automatically for you. All you have to do is choose the product that you want to put in your store and everything is done. So let's edit this product and just take a look at this in a little bit more detail. Because I want to show you the difference of the product titles. So this is the original offer. So this is the, if I click on this, this is the raw kind of data from Amazon. This is the stupid long title with unnecessary stuff. This one is not so bad actually, but it still could be improved upon. So that's the original content, and the AI has rewritten this for us to be a nice compact title. It's chosen a subtitle that describes those extra features, but in a subtitle instead of a main title. And it's come up with a nice short title as well, foldable incline treadmill, nice and simple. And that's what shows, let's go back, where are we? Let's go back to the categories and treadmill, so I can show you where that link title is used, because it's quite an important part of this thing. Yeah, so the link title is shown here, and that's very important because it's good for the user who's browsing through. They don't want to see big long titles, but it's also good for SEO because these are the key foldable incline treadmill. These are the key keywords about that product. So it's very focused, very targeted. The brand is automatically set up for you. So we have this Sunny Health and Fitness brand. I'll do a bit more on that in a different video, but again, brands are created for you. They are optimized with content, with the AI. You can see this one has already been created. In fact, I'll show you now quickly while I'm here. So you can see 4 products are added to this brand, Sunny Health and Fitness. It's disabled by default because a lot of brands get created and you don't want to just flood your store with junk. But I'm going to enable this one because it's quite genuine in terms of a brand. Then when I view the brand, when I view the brand, then yeah, Sunny Health and Fitness, and there we have the products that match that. And I can go in and I can create content for this brand if I want to. Let's create a subtitle. We don't have it for the title on a brand because the AI would rewrite it away from what the actual brand is. So we don't want to encourage that, but we can generate some content for it. And the SEO and the meta we want to do as well. Let's just click through those just to show you how fast it is to do all this stuff. You can keep clicking things and it'll just queue it up. And there you go. There's our content. This one's still working. This one's done. Click save. Hopefully you can see how fast all this is. Refresh this brand page. And yeah, we have some content already coming through. Did I save this? Yeah, there it is. It's come down here. My laptop is struggling a little bit. That's why it's not loading so fast. That's why Chrome is moaning at me. But yeah, okay, let's keep this short. So yeah, that's products. That's the content that gets generated. I think I've pretty much shown you everything, but just to kind of confirm, where's the original product? Is this the original product? No. Let me go and have a look at this product. I just want to show you the difference between the content. We close some tabs, then Chrome might be happier with me. I'm going to change to the US. So this is something else that we have. I'm in England right now, but this offer was from the US, so that's why we see it now when I change to the US. So that's another cool feature, which I'll do another video on. Let me make sure that goes to, okay, it's redirecting me to UK because I'm in the UK, but I don't want it to. How can I do that? Come on. Let me just do this and it should be okay. So yeah, so this is the original product. So it's saying out of stock because of my location. It's not actually out of stock. So these are the highlights, and these are the highlights that the AI has generated based on that. So it's actually taken the facts that it's got a speed and rewritten it, and 9 built-in workout programs. It's taken that, so it understands the information there and it rewrites it into a different way just to make it unique and to make it more kind of concise and better for users. Because like I say, this content on Amazon could sometimes be completely stuffed. And yeah, it creates this little introduction and it creates a completely unique bit of content here. So there we go. That's it. I'm going to show you now how the store looks. I don't know how long this video is, but it didn't take as long to actually build out a store there with products inside, with unique content, with a couple of articles, everything all ready to go. And the only thing that I would change is this image. So let me just do that quickly. And then it's going to be basically a complete store. So I want to go into my pages. In fact, where am I? I'll just edit it from here. And I prepared an image already. It's maybe not a great one, but it's just for the purposes of the demo. I can go into the page. I can go into images, and hero is that image. Let me see. It's just this one here, which I got for free from Pixabay, maybe. Oh, I pressed that too soon, I think. My computer is struggling because it's recording this video. Okay, let me save that again, make sure that's good. And back to view the page, get rid of view. And there we go. So just a basic image, but it's better than it was before. And yeah, we can see from here how easy it is to create an affiliate store from scratch. We started with nothing. We just started with an idea for a niche, and we ended up with all the pages populated with unique content, a couple of articles, all the categories, plenty of products, and yeah, brands as well. We enable brands, everything done, everything ready to go. And I think the video was probably 15 minutes, and that's all it took. And that is creating a store from scratch from the beginning. So this is what I feel is the real power of AI. There's a lot of talk about it at the moment, but I feel like this is where it's very powerful right now. You can use it to supplement what you're doing, to just speed up that process of what you were going to do anyway. And yeah, I think that's something we should all be looking at, because it just makes your business grow exponentially if you can save that much time. So, okay, so that's enough of me talking. Hope you like the video. This is FreshStore. If you need some more information on that, on how to build affiliate stores with FreshStore, and this is a new product for 2023, because we've been going for 13 years now, but this is a complete rewrite of the original concept, done from scratch, done with the power of AI, done with a lot of other cool features, which you can see on this YouTube page or wherever you're watching this video. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you got something from that, and let me know any questions. Cheers, take care, bye.